Hello everyone, my name is Saloni. I am technical consultant here at GlideFast. Today I will be giving a quick demo on how to change the theme on the San Diego instance with new UI experience enabled. With the San Diego version, we actually have to update CSS to update the theme colors. It is not as easy as it was in previous versions. Let's dive right into it. We will start with navigating to sys_ux_style_list.do table. Let's click on New to create a new UX style. I am going to give it a name custom brand. And I will copy the JSON code with the base and properties block to the style field. Now we would navigate to Themes and find Polaris. In this demo, we will update the primary color as well as the header color. So let's open Colors Style. We will find the code to override the primary color, and copy the code needed. We will go back to our newly created UX style, and paste the code in the base block. Now we will update the primary color to red and have to use RGB values of any color we choose. I am going to change the values here quickly to override primary color and save it. Similarly, I am going to add a code to change the header color to maroon. I am going to again navigate to Polaris UX theme and add new style to update the branding. Now let's refresh the page. And here we go, primary color is changed to red as well as the banner color. That is all for today. I hope you found this helpful.